What is going on inside your head? Just come and talk to me instead. What is going on with you? Cause every time you're coming through, you come and talk to me and then you push me away. I don't understand what is wrong, so come and talk to me. If you come and let me know, I might be able to help you. Pull me close and you push away every time I try to help you out. You always go and leave me with many questions, so many questions, so many questions that filling on my brain, so many questions, so many questions, so many questions, I'm going insane, yeah. Don't be leaving me alone, oh no. I'm only here to ease all of that pain, oh yeah. So just give me a little chance, I will help you out. If you trust me, that's all that I ask, yeah. I just want to help you to get rid of all this stress. I think that's what is on